Hello kids, my name is Dean and today we will be creating a craft project of a kazoo with basic household items. Let's begin with what you'll need. First you'll need some tape, wax paper, a glue stick, some markers, a toilet paper roll, and some construction paper and scissors. So what I've done, because we don't have much time, is go ahead and cut a square piece of paper from the construction paper and wrap the toilet paper center in the middle. I glued the edges of the construction paper so they would fit on the cardboard toilet paper center. So I can do a basic design of anything I would like. In this case, I used markers, but you could use glue, glitter, or crayons, anything you'd like to decorate your kazoo. Next, I took some wax paper and cut a square to fit over the top. Once we've done that, we're going to tape the edges of the wax paper to the side of the toilet paper roll. One side down. And we're starting the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to stay in place. You can also use a rubber band if you have one. And just like that, boys and girls, you have a kazoo.